Hello, I'm Tracy Falbe, a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Michigan Real Estate. This Sunday, June 1st, from noon to 1:30, I will be hosting an open house at 28 Orchard Place in Battle Creek, Michigan. The listing agent is Cindy Van Asperen. The home is offered at $204,900, and this is going to be about the most square feet you can get at that price because we have 2,474 square feet that's finished above grade, plus there's a basement. This is a historic home built in 1910. It has 5 total bedrooms. There is a main floor bedroom, and the sellers have done a lot of heavy lifting to restore this home. It's got a new roof, it has central heat and air, there's updated plumbing, there's a new water heater. So there's a lot of good things that have been made to update this home for modern times. And it has a great layout and beautiful staircase inside. So let's just go look at the pictures real quick. And there's the outside of the house. And there is the living room. And here we can just get an idea of just the historic charm. There's the brick fireplace. I love the trim on that sculpted archway. There's a dining space in a central area when you walk in, and then there's a staircase. You can get a little bit of the staircase there. The staircase is really beautiful when you see it in person. There's the kitchen, lots of space back there in the kitchen. And now we're in the upstairs. There's 4 bedrooms and a bathroom in the second level. And this home, this is the attic. There is a 3rd level. And now we're in the basement, and you have a washer and dryer down there. And for a historic home, it's very clean and tidy down there. The basement is pretty nice considering how old it is. It's not creepy at all, surprisingly. I've been down there. And here's the newer mechanicals. This is an enclosed front porch. And there's the view from the backyard. So if you want to live in downtown Battle Creek, this is a great opportunity to get a lot of house for a great price point. So come on down June 1st at noon and take a look at this house. I'll be there. If you want to talk to a buyer's agent, I am available. If you want to talk to someone about selling or buying any real estate in Battle Creek, I'm available as well. My name is Tracy Falbe. My phone number is 269-967-6589. Thanks for watching.